Namaste and welcome back to Advanced Pathshala or Advanced Tutorial. Today I will brief you about pharmacopoeia grade level solvents or pharmacopoeial level solvents or simply pharmacopoeia grade solvents. As you all know, pharmacopoeial level solvents are the chemicals which meet the strict criteria or the standards set by different pharmacopoeias such as Indian Pharmacopoeia IP, United States Pharmacopoeia USP, British Pharmacopoeia BP, European Pharmacopoeia EP, and Japanese Pharmacopoeia JP, etc. These pharmacopoeias, on the other hand, are authoritative compendia or treatises that provide common quality standards or guidelines for pharma industry to control the quality of medicines or drugs and the substances that are used to manufacture them. Strict criteria of these pharmacopoeia grade solvents include purity, composition, limits of impurities, residual solvents, trace metals, and safety, etc. These solvents are subjected to rigorous testing and analysis to ensure that they meet the criteria set in pharmacopoeias for intended applications. These solvents are used for various purposes in pharmaceutical manufacturing such as extraction, purification, formulation, and synthesis, etc. Use of these solvents minimize the risk of contamination and ensures the consistency in manufacturing processes, thereby guaranteeing quality, safety, and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. These solvents comply with regulatory requirements established by authorities such as the FDA in USA, the EMA in Europe, thus providing assurance of regulatory compliance to pharmaceutical companies too. Besides, manufacturers provide documentation such as the product dossier, certificates of analysis to ensure traceability and transparency regarding the origin and quality of these solvents. Additionally, these solvents are recognized and accepted internationally, thereby facilitating trade and collaboration in the pharmaceutical industry across different regions and countries of the world. Our company, Advent Chembio Private Limited, is a leading manufacturer of pharmacopoeial solvents and products. We are having our own FDA-approved CGMP-compliant manufacturing plant at Rabale, Navi Mumbai, India, where we manufacture IP, BP, USP, EP, and JP grade products and solvents. So far, we have obtained FDA approval for more than 20 products conforming to multi-compendial specifications. Pack sizes vary from 2.5 liter bottle to 200 liter drums. A typical certificate of analysis of a multi-compendial solvent includes all the specifications of aforementioned pharmacopoeias. We also provide a product dossier involving all feasible documentations starting from product specifications to route of synthesis to test license copy to a series of declarations as well as material safety data sheet to comply with regulatory requirements of various pharma customers. Please get in touch with our sales colleagues and channel partners for your requirements of pharmacopoeia grade solvents and products. If you have any queries, please get back to us in this regard. Until next time, thanks for your kind attention.